Hello, I'm Angus here at the Bureau. Let's check out the national weather forecast as we roll towards the end of the week. And on Friday, well, it'll be a continuation of those showers that have plagued the east coast from south of Sydney to north of Cairns. Those showers are moving in on an easterly wind, which is flowing around this high pressure area here down by New Zealand, pushing those showers onto the east coast. No sign of those slowing down tomorrow, but we do see some new rain also entering the fray. This band of rain here over South Australia brewing during the day on Friday. That will also be a major player for our weather through southern and eastern parts of the country over the course of this weekend. So that's one to pay attention to, especially if you are on the hunt for rain at the moment. But with our state-by-state flyover, we will start in Queensland and a couple of showers all along the east coast, much like it has been throughout the week so far. We're not really looking at heavy or persistent rain, but some start wet weather through the likes of Brisbane and the southeast coast. The heavier falls possible in a couple of areas, including the Wide Bay Burnett region around Bundaberg, as well as the Cairns area in the north tropical coast, but light showers possible anywhere along eastern Queensland. Inland, it should be a mild and mostly sunny day without any sign of shower activity. It's the same idea for New South Wales. Showers on the coast from top to bottom, from up here to down here. Again, it's not heavy, it's not persistent rain, but it's slightly annoying rainfall. Stop, start, makes it hard to get into your day, hard to get the washing on the line with the showers rolling through. Now, the rain tomorrow will be on and east of the Great Divide, so of course that does include our large centres on the east coast like Sydney, but it does mean if you live on the western slopes and plains or further west from there, you should have a dry and sunny day. That also includes Canberra down here in the ACT. A bright sunny day, or at least a bright sunny morning for Victoria. The cloud will roll in from the west in the afternoon, so clouding over through these areas here during the afternoon hours, probably clouding over through central parts as we head towards the evening as well. But the main thing really to note is just how mild these temperatures continue to be. We're in the middle of May. It's not common to be seeing 20 degrees plus across pretty much all areas in Victoria, running as high as 25 degrees around Mildura, with the capital, Melbourne, 22. To Tasmania, also a pretty sunny start here, but we will also see that cloud move in quite swiftly, most likely by around lunchtime. A lot of these places will be cloudy. That cloud could come along with some drizzle and some fog and some low visibility along parts of the northern coast, but it will stay dry and clear for the southern half, even once that cloud moves in. And again, temperatures are really high. Hobart in the 20s, well above the May average. To South Australia, now showers and the chance of storms to develop around the Eyre Peninsula during the morning, and then that cluster of wet weather will gradually drift eastwards through the afternoon and evening, pushing across the York and the Fleurieu Peninsulas and into Adelaide, probably towards the end of the day. Now, the rainfall will be quite variable because we have that risk of thunderstorms. If those storms do occur, then we could see 50 millimetres land in isolated places. Outside of that thunderstorm risk, it's probably more like 5 to 15 millimetres for many areas. If you're not seeing rain on Friday, which could include some of you in the far east through the Riverlands, Murraylands and down towards the southeast, then this wet weather is likely to move overhead overnight as we head into Saturday morning. A weak cold front will move across the southwest on Friday morning. That'll be a bit of shower activity for the coast between Perth and then around the corner across to Esperance. But little, if any, rainfall penetrates inland to the growing regions and the wheat belt. There will be a southwest wind as well. That's going to bring some pretty fresh conditions, a bit of a chilly wind flow across southern WA for Friday. Dry and clear conditions for the northern half of the state. And the wet season did wrap up a couple of weeks ago, but we are seeing a few showers across large parts of the territory on Friday, mostly eastern areas around Arnhem Land through the eastern top end, the Carpentaria district, pushing down into the Barkly and Simpson Desert areas as well. Some slightly unusual rain for some of these central areas for this time of year. Doesn't look like we'll see any of that rain get across to the western half, including Darwin, or into northern WA, where it will remain sunny. That is all for today, but of course stay up to date with your weekend weather forecast, especially with that rain on the way, on the Bureau website and app. Thank you so much for watching.